Hey everybody, welcome to Taste This One. Welcome back if you're a regular. Thanks for checking out today's video. Hopefully you are having a fantastic day whenever you're watching this. We are back at Pilot / Pilot Flying J's. Was going to try something new this week, but got a notification via Chew Boom. They have 2 new chicken sandwiches that were just launched a couple days ago. Pilot is found in 44 different states. They have more than 750 locations. I'm at one of them. And if you're in Canada, I think they're in 6 Canadian provinces. But with that being said, they have a southern chicken sandwich and a spicy chicken sandwich. So they went all out on naming their chicken sandwiches, but I'm interested to see what they taste like. So let's get in there. Let's order them. Let's bring them back here, review them, grade them, and score them. Is that cool? All right, let's go. All right, Pilot's new chicken sandwiches in hand. There's a parking spot over there. I'm going to go park the vehicle, get out of the main drag here. We'll get the tray out. We'll start the review in 3, 2, 1. We are back. Ready for the review. So first and foremost, the spicy chicken sandwich is a little on the expensive side for me anyway. $5.29 when I can go to Popeyes and get one for $3.99. And the southern chicken sandwich was $4.09. So again, we're going to try them out. I do not have the plate from home, which is really discouraging. So we're gonna have to use these little containers. We do have the knife from home. So we're gonna tear into the southern chicken, which is right here. It's a freshly cooked, crispy chicken breast fillet topped with dill pickles. Served on a brioche bun. This is about as plain as you could get it.
Boring.
I wish I had some sauce, hot sauce or something, but you know what? We do have the knife from home. Let's cut into this. The bun is super fresh though. Nice bun. Again, this is going to be so dry, there's no sauce on it. So even if the chicken's moist, there it is. Kind of impressive. I do like the pickles on there again. Nice fresh bun. All right, the southern chicken. $4.09 from Pilot / Flying J's. Let's taste this one. There has to be a sauce on this. It's just a piece of breaded chicken. I thought I told you I learned my lesson. Need to put that on vibrate.
That's what she said.
Apologize. This is just too plain for me. It's just plain. There's no taste. There's the size of the pickles. Kind of like McDonald's pickles. But I don't know. There has to be something else on here. I'm hoping to God the spicy's better than this. So, alright. We're moving along to the spicy one. These are not coming straight out of the deep fryer, so they're not as crispy as one might think. And this spicy chicken sandwich is $5.29, which is, I don't know. Well, we'll soon find out. Here we go. Let's cut this in half from the knife from home. Wish I had the plate from home. But, I mean, it is a nice sized piece of chicken. Nice sized breast there. You got the Chipotle ranch, the cheese. Let's taste this one. Cheers. I'm going to go in right there with all that Chipotle ranch cheese on this corner. I don't even know if I need to give it 3 bites for a grade, but we'll give this bite. Try to get a big bite to get as much flavor as I can. Here we go. Let's taste the second bite. All right, final comments. Grade and score is in on both the sandwiches. First and foremost, it's gas station food, so got to take that with a grain of salt. But with that being said, I specifically came here in the middle of a lunchtime hour so I could grade some fresh food. Not that these weren't fresh, but you could tell that both sandwiches were sitting there for a little while. I actually got the last spicy sandwich. According to the guy, they don't have any more spicy left. So I asked them to make me a fresh one, and they couldn't. I don't know what that means. It's just a chicken breast with the Chipotle ranch. But anyway, so overall, little disappointed. But again, it's gas station food. The price point is, for me anyway, a little crazy. But with that being said, that Southern chicken, it's just a piece of chicken breast. The chicken is a nice size. The bun was fresh, but when you throw 3 little slices of pickles on there, there's no flavor. It was so plain.
Boring.
Kind of disappointed. The 2 new chicken sandwiches did not live up to expectations. First and foremost, the Southern chicken sandwich, it's a piece of chicken. Mine was sitting there for I don't know how long. I came here in the middle of the lunch hour hoping to get like some fresh chicken to review. It was sitting there, so it was a little, I don't want to say on the soggy side, but it wasn't as crisp as I wanted. But you can't put a piece of chicken and put 3 pickles on it. It needs a sauce or something on there, especially when it's not right out of the deep fryer. So that price point at $4.09 for that, I'm not a big fan of that at all. That's going to be, that's a D for me. That's a middle of the road D65. No special flavors. It's a 65 because the bun was fresh and it was a nice size chicken breast. But aside from that, no flavor at all. Zero flavor. 65. But the spicy chicken sandwich, price point of $5.29, which is completely insane. It's the same piece of chicken, and they put Chipotle ranch on there. The Chipotle ranch was good. Oh, and a slice of cheese. But the Monterey Jack cheese, the pepper cheese, it was sitting there, so it wasn't completely fresh right out of the deep fryer, where it was kind of just, it was there. You could taste it. But I don't understand, when I asked for it fresh, the guy said, no, we don't have any more crispy chicken. But it's the same piece of chicken. They just put the Chipotle ranch on there, and they upcharge you $1.20 because of it. Oh, that and the piece of cheese. But either way, no. It was good. Again, decent sized piece of chicken. The bun was fresh. I can't go higher than a C plus 79. If that was crispy right out of the deep fryer, I'd probably be in the 80 range, but I'm actually even probably being nice by giving it a C plus 79. So maybe next week's gas station food, hopefully it's going to be a little better. Who knows? Thank you for watching today's video. Greatly appreciated. If you like today's video, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Click the buttons right below. Maybe hit the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you know when I put out new videos. Try to get them out Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Outside of the YouTube world, it can be a little crazy and busy. Maybe sprinkle in a couple bonus videos to surprise everybody here and there. But overall, today, the gas station food did not live up to my expectations. So, anyway, until the next video, we'll see ya.